Alright boys, welcome back. Today we got the next build in the mini bike meets saga. Today we're gonna be putting the mini bike meets lawnmower.
Go.
Hey, so we're gonna cut some little brackets off that we're gonna use to mount the front forks of the mini bike to the lawnmower. See you when that's done.
Somebody.
Hey, here, boy.
Hey, your clamp fell out.
Put that down.
Tie that junk.
That's something. Hell. That's a good cut, though.
Touch it.
Like
Wing glasses. Done. New creation. Mobile mower. Pop a wheel. Look at that. Perfect cuts. Perfectly straight. Lightweight. That's what it's gonna look like when it's all done.
Going on a Lowe's run in the Aveo, boys. What we got on deck?
We got candle box, boys. Let's go.
Get a ram, son! Let's go! Alright, hey, we got our drill bit. We had to go to Lowe's to get a drill bit. Now we're going back to the house, finish the project.
Alright. Alright.
There it is, boys.
She mounted. Full turn action.
Full turn, baby.
She looks awesome, boys.
See how she does.
You gonna start up in here? My shoe's untied, boys. Whoa! Careful there, Terry.
You might rip, boy.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go, boys. Give her the pump.
Give it. Finger that junk.
Runner, boy.
Garbage rig.
Special.
Spark plug on there.
Shout out Lawrence. Oh boy.
We'll be back.
Fired up bird full one. A combined 7 horsepower.
Get out there. Hit the wolves! The wolves! Hit it, son! Hit it! Stay on it! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Look out!
Keep on!
Take it to the street! Whoa! Whoa! Watch it cruising!
Hey, boy!
Here, son! Yeah! Hey, go! Here we go! Yeah! Take it easy there, boys! Riverside, go! Go! Stay on it, stay on it! Look out for trees! The trees! Back on, go! Oh gosh, he cruised! Turn! We lost the engine! Terrible! Lost the engine! Did it! Oh! Go! Hit the wall! Yeah! Yo! Whoa! Watch out of it! Whoa! Yeah!
We're the Lawn Boys. We'll see you next time. Let the beast rest. Until next time, America.